Hi, this is Jashwant Sai, Elite. Now we have to discussing about finding min and max using divide and conquer technique. Divide and conquer technique nothing but the divide and conquer technique approve is a recursive technique that breaks a problem into a small sub problems, solving them independently and combine the result to get the final solution. Now we have to take an example of an min max using divide and conquer technique. Let us take a data set about these numbers, that is 22, 13, minus 5, minus 8, 15, 60, 17, 31, 47.
పెద్దగా మాట్లాడు.
This is the 9 data set. Now we have to solve this problem. Let us take a starting point as I and ending point of j. Now we have to divide this problem into some sub problems. Then we have a problem that is the formula is mid is equal to left plus right by 2. Now we have taken 1 and 9. 9 plus 1 10, 10 by 2 is that is 5. We have to the mid position is 5. Now we have to divide the into two parts. (13) minus 5 minus 8 15 60 70 31 47. Again we have to divide this problem. That is 1 2 3 4 5. I and j. I plus j, 1 and 5, that is 6. 6 by 2, that is 3. Minus 8, 15, 22, 13, minus 5. Now again we have to divide this problem into two. It is 1 2 3 I and j. 1 plus 3, that is 4. 4 by 2, that is 2. (22, 13, minus 5). Again we have to do this also same as 60, 17, 31, 47. How we know the minimum value is the elements we have to come at least 1 and 2, that is end of the divide. Now we have to conquer this using min max. Maximum element in this divide in this list is equal to 22 and minimum is 13. In this we have only one value, one element, that is we have to take min max is same value. Max is equal to minus 5, min is equal to minus 5. This is also same. Max is equal to 15, min is equal to minus 8. Max is equal to 60, min is equal to 17. Now we have to take max, this is right side, we have to take max 1 and min is equal to 1. Max 1 is equal to 47, min 1 is equal to 31. Now we have to conquer this method. We have to conquer this 2 first of all. In this 2, what is the maximum value is 22 and the minimum value is -5. Sorry, max is equal to 22, min is equal to -5. Now we have to combine these two values. Max. In this, max is equal to 22 and minimum is equal to -8. 22 minus 8. Now left part is over. Now we have to combine the right part. Max 1 is equal to 60. Min 1 is equal to 17. And we have to take the 17. That is the least value. Now we have to combine this left and right subparts into one. The maximum is equal to 60 and minimum is equal to 17. Maximum is equal to 60. Minimum is equal to -8. Hence proved. We have to prove this. Hence proved by finding minimum and maximum using divide and conquer technique. By using the formula of left plus right by 2, we solve the algorithm. Thank you.